Good morning, everyone. This is Crafty Mama coming to you on Thursday. So, I have another unboxing to do for you. This is called Santorini Blue. This is when a couple months ago when I got that big haul at Joann's. So, I got this one then. It is from Dotz. It is squares, and I am realizing that I absolutely love doing squares. It's got 38 colors, and it is a 52 by 42 centimeters. So let's get into this and see what all it's got. And I hope you all have a great week. It is Holy Week here, and so I may not be on for the rest of the weekend until Monday, just because it is Good Friday tomorrow and Easter week Sunday. But not only is it Good Friday tomorrow, it is my daughter Tori's 10th birthday tomorrow, so we've got things going on. Okay, and here are your drills, and if you keep your drills separate from your canvases once you open them up, this is already labeled with both the code or the serial number and the name of it, so you don't have to worry about that. And then we've got our canvas. Let's get into this for just a minute. Give me just 1 minute here. I do apologize for the crinkling noises, but our toolkit is in here, and it's just your basic standard toolkit. And if you're new to diamond painting, this is going to have absolutely everything that you have to diamond paint. So it's going to have a pen and a little squishy that helps make things a little more comfortable. It's going to have a caddy with some wax in it, and let me get into that. And just want to remind, it has two caddies of wax, and just remind everybody to just peel off the thin layer of plastic before you try to load your pen. And I do have a video on loading your pen with wax. So because the plastic is there to keep the wax wet so it doesn't dry out, so that you can use it right. And sometimes they come in circles, sometimes they come in squares, sometimes in hearts. It all really depends on the company. They kind of all have their own different way of packaging it. And it does have a multiplacer. It has a multiplacer, and it looks like this one's a 6. And then it has a straightener, so you can stick it in. What you do, just stick it on the other end of your pen here. So this is where you can single place, and then you can put your straightener or your multiplacer in this end. And then if it's your multiplacer, just pop that in, and you'll load it with your wax. And then you can put your 6, try your hand at putting down 6 or less drills at one time with this. And then it does come with this cute little tray, or boat as a lot of people call it. And this is the first time I've seen this like aqua blue one. I love it. And then some baggies to store some of your spare drills or whatever you want to do with that. So, and this is pretty standard of what comes in toolkits from companies, and this is really standard to have the straightener and a multiplacer when you get a Diamond Dots kit, which is what this one is. So just put this stuff back away, and I'll take care of that later. So let's get into what the canvas is going to look like. So give me just a minute while I get this out. And I love landscapes, and I love, never been to the Mediterranean, but I absolutely love that look in this famous blue like wall in Santorini that you see. So give me just 1 minute while we get this rolled. And since it's curled up and it's trying to stay rolled up, what you do is you just roll it the other way. And since this is a poured glue, which means that the glue that you stick your diamonds down on is just poured on, and it's not a double-sided adhesive. And we know that because of the clear plastic covering that we have over here. So you know it's safe to roll both ways and you're good to go. So give me just a minute while I get this. And here we go. Let's see. It might be a little jittery here, but there we go. And I just love it. Obviously, lots of blues and that. And it is licensed. It is a licensed canvas, and that tells us that down here, and it gives us like their number, gives them their sequence number, the name of it, the design size. So it's a 52 by 42 centimeters, which is going to be a 20.5 by a 16.5 inch. And it does say that it was produced under license from Shutterstock.com. So I like making sure that things, I personally like making sure things are licensed. So it gives credit and a little bit of the profits to the people who made these beautiful pictures for us. So, and this one only has one legend. They usually have them on both sides, so I'm not sure why they did that. So this is your legend. This is all you're going to need. And it's got, and of course they've got everything in Diamond Dotz code. They do not use a DMC code, but Diamond Dotz has their own code, which you'll get used to if you do this. And I'm just checking to see if I'm seeing any ABs in here. And I am not seeing any ABs. And ABs are what they call Aurora Borealis. And they have an iridescent covering to them. So they just make everything sparkle a little bit more. But there's none in this kit. It is a square. And it is a full. So it's going to cover, you put diamonds down on your whole canvas here. So this one is going to be a fun one for me to do. And let's get into the diamonds and just kind of go through and see what kind of colors we have. There's going to be lots of blues, blue, and like I said, it is their Diamond Dotz number. So we got some blues, we got a brown, we got 2 bags of this color blue, more of a navy blue, I'm almost going to say like a sandcastle brown, and we've got brown and a very dark blue, more of the blues, and I love this like sea, baby blue or sea blue. And this one, this one has, nope, they're all one shade apart. I thought it was 3 of the same one, but it's 3 different colors of blue that are all just one shade apart from each other. And almost like a gray blue, like a light seafoamy green, peachy or sand. So those are going to be like the sand and the buildings. This is a dark green, so that's going to probably be like the moss on the side of the building. Some more of that sandy peach. We've got grays, terracotta browns for the buildings, gray, some more of those browns, and another green. So it is going to be a lot of greens and blues and browns in there to get this one done. And what I do is I just kind of fold it back up, and then I can stick it back in my bag. So I hope you enjoyed these unboxings. Any comments, questions, concerns, encouragement, put them in that comment box below. In the description box, I will put a link to both Joann's and this kit. When I bought it, it was at 30% off. I don't know what kind of sales are running right now, but they do have sales going through quite often. If you want to be part of the Crafting Mama family, hit the subscription tag, and if you want to know anytime I upload a video, hit that notification bell. And again, I may not be on this weekend just because of it being Holy Week and Good Friday's tomorrow and my daughter's birthday, but I'm with you. It's just been kind of crazy with that. And my stepmom has been very sick, so we've been on the alert on if we need to try to make a quick trip up to Chicago where my dad and my stepmom are. But so far, things are stabilizing a little bit. She's having a lot of trouble breathing, but they're seeing a doctor today to see what else needs to go on with some of her medical conditions and to get her back on the right path. So just pray about that. And if you don't have a church to go to for Easter Sunday, and if you live in the Central Florida area, I would love to invite you to our church, Illuminate Church. And if you're not and you want to watch a service online, you can go to YouTube and go to Illuminate Church Celebration Florida, I think is how it is. And you can find it on YouTube, and they can illuminate.church is the website for them. We would love to have you come and visit with us and just be able to celebrate this glorious holiday. You all have a great rest of your day and a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.